In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the MetaTrader 5 news feed to stay informed. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find real-time headlines inside MetaTrader 5, how to read them efficiently, and how to pair that information with your charts to make more informed decisions. Start by opening the Toolbox window. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+T. You'll see the Toolbox panel appear along the bottom of MetaTrader 5. This panel is your command center for a lot of essentials: trades, alerts, and most importantly for us today, the news feed. Next, go to the News tab. Inside the toolbox, click on News. Give it a few seconds to populate. Once it loads, you'll notice a stream of headlines that typically includes economic news, market updates, broker announcements, and global financial headlines. These are refreshed throughout the trading day, so it's a convenient way to stay current without leaving your platform. To read a news item, simply double-click any headline. A detailed article will open in a new window. Here you can read the full content, check the exact time the news was released, and get a sense of the potential market impact. Pay close attention to the timestamp and source. Knowing whether you're looking at breaking news or a recap can help you set expectations for price movement. Use what you learn to guide your trading decisions. Keep an eye out for major events like interest rate decisions, inflation reports such as CPI, non-farm payrolls, and central bank speeches. These announcements often trigger high volatility, fast price movements, and can lead to breakouts or sharp reversals. If you're trading around these releases, consider your risk carefully and be mindful of wider spreads and slippage that can occur during fast markets. If your version of MT5 offers it, filter the news to focus on what matters most to you. You may be able to highlight high-impact events, narrow down to currency-specific headlines, or show broker updates only. Filtering helps cut through the noise so the most relevant items are front and center when you need them. Finally, combine the news with your charts for context. Open a chart, EURUSD is a great example, and watch how price reacts during and immediately after a news release. Look for spikes, breakouts, and reversals. This side-by-side approach connects the headline to the actual market response, helping you refine entries, exits, and risk management. That's it. With the MT5 News tab and a bit of practice, you'll stay informed and trade with more confidence.